Hey guys! Welcome back to Mama Quatang's channel. For today's video, we will make smile-friendly face mask. But before anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So, are you excited? Let's go! We're done with our smile-friendly face mask. So pretty. Now people can see you smiling. Your beautiful smile. We'll try this on. So that is all for this video for our smile-friendly face mask. Bye for now. God bless you. I love you guys. Bye. Smile friendly face mask.